Hello children, welcome to online Samveda e-learning class. Today we are going to learn social science lesson 2 Ava Karnataka part 5.
ಚೆಲುವ ಕನ್ನಡ ನಾಡು ಸಿರಿ ಸೊಗಸಿನ ಹಾಡು ಚೆಲುವ ಕನ್ನಡ ನಾಡು ಸಿರಿ ಸೊಗಸಿನ ಹಾಡು ಹಲವು ಬಣ್ಣಗಳ ಜಾಡು ಶಿಲ್ಪಕಲೆಗಳ ಬೀಡು ಹಲವು ಬಣ್ಣಗಳ ಜಾಡು ಶಿಲ್ಪಕಲೆಗಳ ಬೀಡು ಚೆಲುವ ಕನ್ನಡ ನಾಡು ಸಿರಿ ಸೊಗಸಿನ ಹಾಡು ಚರಿತೆಯ ಮೆರಗು ದುರ್ಗ ಕೋಟೆಯ ಬೆರಗು ಹಸಿರು ಘಟ್ಟಗಳ ಸೊಬಗು ಜೋಗಧಾರೆಯ ಬೆಡಗು ಶೃಂಗೇರಿ ಶಾರದಾಂಬೆ ಕೊಲ್ಲೂರ ಮುಕಾಂಬೆ ಬೇಲೂರು ಹಳೆಬೀಡು ಚಿತ್ತಾರ ಬಲೆಯೊಳಗೆ ಚೆಲುವ ಕನ್ನಡ ನಾಡು ಸಿರಿ ಸೊಗಸಿನ ಹಾಡು
Dear children, we have learnt so many important points about Ava Karnataka in the previous classes. Mainly, in the last class, we have learnt the history of Mysore division, natural resources, small and big mountains, waterfalls, minerals, forests, wildlife, national parks of Mysore division. Dear children, in today's class, we are going to understand agriculture and industries of Mysore division, art, literature, music, folklore, theatre and dance of this division, famous folk dances, famous poets and musical gains of this division. Also we are going to learn education and health care of this division. With that also we are going to learn some freedom fighters of this division. Are you ready for it? Very good. Before going to learn more about these topics, I would like to show one video for you all. Please watch the video and enjoy it. How was the video? It was a very fantastic video. First, let us learn about agriculture and industries. In this division, so many people are depending on different occupations. Mainly, almost people are depending on agriculture. Why? Because this area has irrigation facilities, so they are depending on agriculture. As you know all, Mysore is famous for Mysore silk sarees also. Why? Because Mysore district is famous for silk. This division, Kodagu, Chikmagaluru, Hassan districts are very famous for the coffee plantation. You can see on your screen, this is the area of coffee plantation. These districts' physical features are very suitable to grow coffee. So, in these areas we can see more coffee plantations. Mainly Chikmagaluru is a famous for coffee, not today, from the day one. It means Chikmagaluru is the first district in India where they grown coffee. Mandya district of this division is famous for sugarcane because this district has very good irrigation facilities, mainly from the river Kaveri. So, they grow more sugarcane in these areas so that we can see more sugar industries. Udupi, Dakshina Kannada of this division is famous for the cashew nuts, pepper, rubber and cardamom. You can see images of those. As climate is suitable for grow different types of crops, in this region farmers grow different crops, mainly paddy, ragi, maize, various pulses are the major crops of this division. Also, some commercial crops like tobacco, coffee, cashew nuts, potato, sugarcane, cotton, orange and coconut are the major commercial crops. This means they grow for the business purpose. Dear children, other than agriculture, they depending on some other non-agricultural activities also, like dairying, poultry, sheep rearing and horticulture are the main non-agriculture activities of this division. Dear children, so many rivers originates and flows through this division districts. So many irrigation projects have been implemented in so many districts of this division. Mainly 4 major irrigation projects are Krishnaraja Sagara project, Harangi irrigation project, Hemavati irrigation project and Kabini irrigation project. Through these projects, they provide water facilities for agricultural fields by constructing canals. By this, farmers can earn too much of money, through that country's economy can be improved. In order to facilitate better agricultural practices, various agricultural colleges and farms have been established in this division districts. It means so many agriculture researches are taking place in these colleges. Mysuru, Mangaluru, Hassan, Chikamagaluru, Mandya and Madikeri are the famous major industrial centers in this division. There are so many industries in so many districts, mainly industries like pharmaceutical industries, coffee curing industries, food processing industries, fertilizer industries, petroleum industries, chocolate producing industries, sugar industries, cement manufacturing industries. Like this, there are so many industries in this division. You can see on your screen, there are thousands of small scale industries and some medium industries also. Mysore has about 100 large and medium scale industries. There are more than 25,000 small scale industries. These industries are very important to provide employment for the people. By providing employment, people can earn money and that helps in the country's economic development. Children, now let us learn about art, literature, music, folklore, theatre and dance of this. As you know all, Mysore is called as the land of art because so many different types of art can be seen in this division. Mysore Palace can be seen on your screen. Now let us learn about famous folk dances of this division. The first most important dance is Yakshagana. You can see on your screen, it is an image of Yakshagana. This is very famous in the coastal districts of this division. This Yakshagana has achieved national and international recognition. Kamsale Kunita, it is another important type of dance in this division. Chaudike Kunita, Veeragase Kunita, Pata Kunita, Nandi Kolu. These are the important types of dances can be seen in this region. Also we can see these type of dances in different parts of India. Now let's learn about unique rituals of this division. Huttari Habba, mainly celebrated in Kodagu region. Bhutaradhane, it is famous in coastal districts of this division. Kambala, it is a type of game celebrated in the coastal districts. Like this, Mysore kingdom was always given importance for the art, music and dance. Today also, government of Karnataka and government of India is giving more importance for art, music and other types of dance also. Let's learn some important type of dances. Bharatanatyam,
जग जग जय जय शशिर विभूषण रूप भयंकर डमरुगहस्त प्रीतिय सग सदीक्षित नाद नटेश कौतम सगदगतां दिग्गजै तां ज्योतिं उदयचित्य मन्दिरजगदं
these are the musical instruments can be seen in this division. Dear children, you want to participate and learn about the drama? It is a place for you. This is an important theatre called Rangayana. It is in Mysuru, established by government of Karnataka. Here so many theatre activities, it means drama activities are going on. It is like a school for theatre artists. Like Rangayana, so many branches have been established in the various parts of the state. There is a big auditorium called Kala Mandira in Mysore. Now let's learn about some important writers of this division. Shivaram Karanth, the Jnanapita Award recipient, is from Dakshina Kannada district. As you know all, India's highest literature award is Jnanapita Award. R.K. Narayan is a famous English novelist from Mysore division. Raja Rao of Hassan is a famous novelist. K.S. Narasimha, who enriched the Kannada lyrical poetry, is from Mysore. Please collect more information about this division poets. Devanuru Mahadeva, Dr. S.L. Bhairappa, Purnachandra Tejasvi, Goruru Ramaswamy Iyengar, M. Gopalakrishna Adiga, B. M. Shrikantaya, A. N. Murti Rao, Akbar Ali, Sara Abubakar, Alanahalli Krishna, Kodagina Gauramma, Tirumalamba, Triveni, Niranjana, other famous poets of this division who enriched the Kannada literature world. Pre-modern writers like Sanchi Vannamma, Ratnakara Varni and Singararya from Mysore division who enriched the cultural heritage of Kannada. Now let's learn about some important musical gains. R.K. Srikantan, Veene Sheshanna, Pitilu Chaudaya, Veera Doraswamy Iyengar, Kadri Gopalanath and other famous music gains of this division. Mohammad Peer, the theatre artist, K.K. Hebbar, a well-known painter, B.V. Karanth, who enriched theatre and cinema, have contributed a lot to the Kannada and world culture. Like this, we can see so many great personalities of this division. You can see on your screen, it is a image of Pitilu Chaudhaya. Cartoonist R.K. Lakshman, who played very important role in India's defence, General Karyappa, General K.S. Timmappa played very important role, are from this division. Also famous scientists like Raja Ramana and U.R. Rao also from this division. Now let's learn about Devaraj Aras. He is one of the most important personality of this division. He was a Karnataka's chief minister. He played very important to provide the social justice in Karnataka. He is from Mysore division. Now let's learn about education and healthcare of this division. Mysore is famous for the educational centers. Why? Because since Mysore king's rule, it means Vadaya's rule, too much importance have been given to the education. So education has improved a lot in so many districts of this division. The University of Mysore was established in 1915 by Nalvadi Krishnaraja Vadiyar. In 2015, it is completed 100 years. It is Karnataka's first university. Many districts of this division have engineering and medical colleges. Dakshina Kannada district of this division has Mangalore University. There are so many private universities in this division that is providing education and played very important role to improve the education in this division. There is a research institution in Mysore city that is called the Central Food Technology Research Institute. Here so many food researchers are going on. Dear children, there is a famous religion educational institute that is called Sutturu Mutt. It is very famous, that is providing free education and food facilities for so many lakhs of students. You can see on your screen, this is a image of Sutturu Mutt. Dharmasthala Education Institution of this division also playing very important role providing education. Manipal Educational Institute is also famous for education in this division. Now let us discuss about the health facilities in this division. This division has so many hospitals. Mainly in every district of this division has district of hospital. In the same way, every taluk of this division has taluk hospitals. In rural areas there are sub health centers, and in rural areas there are rural hospitals that is providing good medical facilities for all those people. Children of this division are regularly vaccinated to get the good health. There are so many health assistants and ASHA workers who providing and assisting to get good health facilities for so many people, mainly for the pregnant women. Dear children, as the division has very good facilities, this division has lowest child mortality rate. Also, people of this division has good life expectancy. Maternal mortality rates are also lower. These are the indicators of better health status of this division people. Now let's learn about cultural heritage and some important temples of this division. It is one of the most important temple. It is in Somanathapura. See how beautiful it is. Halabeedu and Beluru of this division very well known for their Madanika idols. Gommateshwara, a monolithic idol which is in Shravanabelagola, it is famous for the Jains. It is an image of a temple which is in Halabeedu. There is a Basadi called 1000 Pillars Basadi which is in Mudabidere. As you know all, there is a famous river that is called Kaveri which is originates in Talakaveri. It is providing water for the so many districts of this division. Dear children, this division has coastal line. You can see on your screen, Udupi, Dakshina Kannada of this division has coastal line. It is helping in the Karnataka's tourism. As these districts have very good coastal line, that helps in the providing employment also. Mainly fishery is the main occupation of these people. There are so many ports in this coastal line that is providing very important role in the country's economic development. Also sea based adventure sports are conducted in this region. There are so many educational institutions are seen in this division. Now let us learn about some famous freedom fighters of this division. Dear children, Khadi is famous from so many years, which was very close to Gandhiji. Production centers in the form of cottage industry were widely available in this division. Kudamal Rangarao of Mangaluru dedicated his life for the upliftment of untouchables. And one more famous person who played very important role and who worked with Mahatma Gandhiji, another person Tagaduru Ramachandra Rao, who played very important role in the upliftment of untouchables. H.C. Dasappa, Yashodhara Dasappa, Karnad Sadashivarao, H.K. Veerannagowda, K.T. Bhashyam, Kamala Devi Chattopadhyaya, K.V. Shankare Gowda, K. Ramakrishna Karanta, C.M. Punacha, they are the other famous important freedom fighters of this division. So many important personalities of this division involved in the Karnataka's integration. It means Karnataka's integration movement. Like this, the district of Mysore have achieved national and international fame. Dear children, today also whenever we heard the word Mysuru, we remember Dasara. It means Mysore Dasara is very famous festival not only in India, in the international level also. Dear children, today we have learned so many important points about Mysuru division, mainly agriculture and industries, art, literature, music, folklore, theatre and dance of this division, famous folk dancers, poets and musical gains. Also we learnt about education and health care and freedom fighters of this division. Now it is time to write down the homework. Dear children, some questions are displayed on your screen. Please write down the questions and answer for those. Thank you everyone.